Hey everyone, happy Friday. I hope you guys all had a good week and you have some fun stuff planned for the weekend. It sounds like it's really windy outside today, so I hope you're all at home and cozy. Next week, we're gonna start on week 3. So this is our last day of the week 2 packet. If you guys wanna do the rest of it for extra credit, you can. Just text me a picture of your completed packet and I can give you some extra credit for it. Let's get started on our fluency today. So the fluency for today is a bunch of true or false statements. You have to read each statement and decide if it's true or false. So it says, are the following statements always true, sometimes true, or never true? How do you know? So I'm going to let you guys figure this one out mostly on your own, but there's some stuff I'm going to review. Now, remember, you have 3 options here. It's not just true or false. It's always true, sometimes true, or never true. So I'm going to first give you an example of the sometimes true, because I think that's probably a trickier one. The first one, the sum of 3 numbers is odd. Well, that's sometimes true because you could go 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. That's 3 numbers and it's odd. But that's not always true because if you do 2 plus 2 plus 2, that equals 6, and that's even. So this one is sometimes true, and I'm going to write it here. When it asks you to find out how you guys know, if you just write an equation next to it as an example, that works as an explanation. Now, there are quite a few of these that ask you about multiples. So I wanted to review what multiples are. So a multiple is just the number you land on when you skip count by another number. So for example, if I were going to find the multiples of 2, I would just skip count by 2, and you guys can do this with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and it keeps going on and on and on. Multiples are infinite. They never end. So you could do that for 3s, 4s, 5s. These are multiples of 2 are also just your 2 times tables. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and so on. So that's what multiples are. So you can either think about it like your times tables, or you can think about it as skip counting. So that should help you answer some of these questions about multiples. If you're confused about any of these, comment on this video and I'll give you extra hints.